from a biological perspective, what really happens in the brain, and the body when someone experiences anxiety? Because many times you're not aware, you say, oh, I'm going through something, is it what? So how can you identify and relate to it?
Yeah. So biological components of anxiety is basically a autonomic nervous system. So autonomic nervous system has two parts: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous
Right.
system. So in an anxiety, there is a structure of fear and flight mode. And the fight, flight, fear. So these
Okay.
are all interconnected to each other. For example, if I'll mention on the basis of a theory, that is the James Lange theory. So he states that whenever a stimulus comes, our body perceives that stimulus, okay? And then that stimulus is perceived by thalamus.
Okay.
So thalamus is the brain part which connects it to the sympathetic nervous system and then to the emotional aspects. Then emotionally, the center is the amygdala. So it is stored in the amygdala that how I reacted to the past situation when this similar situation happens to me in the past. So these all systems are interconnected, and then an individual experiences an emotion.
Right. So for the simple, the normal layman, if you could also explain the roles of the thalamus and the amygdala briefly, without getting too, technical about it. Where is it and what does it do?
Okay. So first, as I mentioned, the amygdala is the major role center of the emotion. So it helps us in coordinating and maintaining the fearful emotions or any other emotions that have been experienced in the past. So amygdala जो है वो integrate करता है एक emotion को multiple sensory areas में to assess the threats with consideration of inputs जो stimuli से हमें मिले, ठीक है?
Right.
So if we have to go in depth knowledge that amygdala and all these systems plays a very, very huge role. So I'll just superficially explaining it that what happens and how it happens.
Right.
Okay, sir?
Sure. Makes sense. I mean, of course, we could do a deep dive into that as well in some other episode, but I think right now that should suffice so that, it's an initial stage. People don't get concerned too much about the technical aspects of it, but they know what's really going on broadly, right? So coming down to the, next, my question. So what are the causes and triggers of anxiety? And if you look at those, so what are the most common ones, that you encounter, that you have encountered in your practice? You see patients every day. So something which you see is really very common, and something that's, alarming as well, that you see a trend.
Yeah, sure. So basically, when we see patients, when we see clients, that is associated with an anxiety disorder. Also, so the major complaints do come like, for example, I'm not able to sleep. There is insomnia, restlessness. Ma'am, if I have to quote with a verbatim, like, मैम मेरे हाथ पूरा टाइम कांपते रहते हैं, ऐसे बोलते हैं तो, है ना? मैं सो नहीं पाता हूँ या नहीं पाती हूँ, ठीक है? मैं कहीं भी बैठा होता हूँ तो मुझे घबराहट सी होती है, बेचैनी सी होती है. So these are the verbatim that that a client comes to the professional, to the therapist, like, मैम मुझे ऐसा रहा है, ठीक है? And of course पानी पी लेता हूँ या पी लेती हूँ तब भी वो नीचे नहीं जाता है. So these are the physical symptoms that is associated with the anxiety disorder. Also, heart palpitations are very common. People feel like their heart is pumping very fast.
Right.
That they also say कि मैम मेरा दिल मुझे ऐसा लगता है अभी निकल जाएगा बाहर. But actually में निकल नहीं जाएगा. These are the symptoms that individual should know कि हाँ मुझे अब anxiety start हो रही है. So when I say that it is very important to know your stressors, that is very important to know your physiological responses.
Right.
One should know कि मुझे कब क्या हो रहा है और किस situation में मुझे ये हो रहा है. तो ये इंसान को पता होना चाहिए. For example, if I see a lizard, है ना? तो lizard को देखने से like heart palpitations आएंगी, है ना? तो मुझे बहुत ऐसा लगेगा मैं यहाँ से भाग जाऊं. अब मैं भाग भी नहीं पा रही हूँ because मेरे सामने lizard है. So these are the things I should know कि हाँ मुझे एक lizard से डर लगता है. अच्छा मुझे पानी से डर लगता है. मुझे एक stranger anxiety है. ये सब चीजें.
हम्म
हाथों में कंपन हो गई है ना, तो पैरों में रेस्टलेसनेस हो गई, नमनेस हो गई, नर्वसनेस हो गई. सो दीज आर द बेसिक सिम्टम्स ऑफ एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर.
राइट.